try to do it. Can I try? Yeah. You know everything you must try. Yeah. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Farmer Isa and I'm coming live from Nyabuanza village in Kenya, Africa. And it's early in the morning. I'm heading to iammayuguno's construction site, and I decided to say hi to each and every one of you guys. And actually I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for the kind love and support that you have shown to me. And it is really amazing because it's through you that I've had the opportunity and the energy to go on with these vlogs. Yeah, so thank you so much for being there for me, guys. I'm really very grateful for your support, love and care, and I really appreciate for turning up to come and watch my videos, guys. I really don't take it for granted, guys. So I'm on my way to iammayuguno's construction site, and it's early in the morning. I have to hurry up because if I get late, I'm gonna miss the opportunity to work at this construction site, guys. So I want to really say that I'm really very grateful to be part of this construction, to be part of this team at this site. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to work at this site. Yeah, and Mayuguno, if you're watching this video, I really take this opportunity to thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much for the love. Yeah. So if you can see this I think this is not new to you guys. This is Mama Ferex's compound. It's very popular to you. I know you know the place. Just have a look. Very nice building. Yeah, very nice if you can see. So I'm on my way. It rained yesterday and people here in the village are preparing to do planting. It's a planting season, and mostly they do plant maize, beans and groundnuts or cashew nuts, and of course the cassava. Yeah, so people are getting ready to do. Yeah, I think I've seen some there. They're doing some farming. And guys, in front of me is a slaughter. People come here to slaughter cows every morning, guys, about 4 of them, and that tells us how much love people have for the beef here in Nyabuanza village. So if you can see, these are shambas. They have been prepared for farming. Yeah, so these ones are ready for slaughter. They are having their last plates, guys, and that's what it is, guys. So these shambas have been prepared ready for planting, if you can see. Yeah, this is a shamba. A shamba is a piece of land that has been prepared ready for planting or crop production. So in Swahili it's called shamba, and the word extends to English. So if you come and say I need a shamba, I mean everybody will understand you need a piece of land for crop production. Yeah. So yes, morning.
Yeah, morning.
Yeah. So yeah, so it rained yesterday. It has been raining for the last 1 week, and that's the joy of the people in the village. Yeah. Yes, but so guys, I want to take this opportunity, as I said, to thank each and every one of you for turning up to support me. Thank you so much, because you have chosen to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos, guys. And for the new subscribers, of the new viewers, I really ask you to consider to subscribe to my channel, because I'm really in need of your subscription. It's through your subscription that I'll get to move on, guys. So I really ask you to consider to subscribe. Yeah. So yes, Toto. Abay. Maraba. So these are cows. Maraba. Actually in the village. Children, great elder people, they say shikamo, and then you respond by saying marahaba. That's the response you give, and it's very common. Every child will greet you shikamo. He or she can't pass you, and they are the ones who initiate the greetings. And like where I come from, is the elderly who greet the children. In fact, the children have no energy to say hi to the elderly. They fear the elderly people. But here in the village, great people, children are the ones who start, they are the ones who initiate the greetings. So we say shikamo, and you greet back. You respond by saying marhaba. Close to Mama Ann's home. If you can see, this is Mama Ann's home, and that's Ann doing some cleaning. Hello mom, habari? Mko salama? Ndo tunaingia kule. Yeah. So that's Mama Ann and Ann. I think you know them. That's their home, and that's what the village offers. Everyone is around. Guys. Mama Ann himself, they're all here. Yes, habari. Now that's what the village offers. People here are farmers. They rear chicken, they keep cattle, they plant maize, beans, yeah, or even potatoes, sweet potatoes. All crops are being done here in Nyabwanzi village, guys. Like this one. This is potatoes. This is potatoes, sweet potatoes in that case. Yeah, so they do all crops here, and people really like it so much. So yeah, I want to say special thanks to Fosca. You have been very supportive to us. You have guided us. You have given us the way. I mean, you have really been so helpful. And I want to take this opportunity to thank you so much, Dada. You're my sister, and I'm really very grateful, guys. So thank you for watching this video today. till the end. Thank you for having time to watch this video, guys. And that's the love we need. They say love is free. I'm already close to iammayuguno's construction site, and yeah, nobody is yet to come. If you can see, wow, wow. And they're doing it using boots. So some tuples, so they're bluffing. How do we call this machine that's doing the bluffing? The fun thing, children do it here in the village. Where I come from is the elderly people. Hey, habari yenu? I'm fine. Naona mnafanya kazi. Oh. So you can do the bluffing, eh? Oh. This is Noel Chacha. Yeah, Noel Chacha is a YouTuber. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm happy to see this, eh? It's early in the morning and they've already done big piece of land, meaning they were here as early as 5 a.m. or even 4 a.m. and I mean the young ones are doing it, and it's really amazing. So like where I come from, the elderly, the old are the ones who do the bluffing, but here in the village, children as young as 10 years old, they're the ones who manage the pools. They're the ones who hold the braff. They're the ones who do the digging, guys. So this is iammayuguno's house. So when do you wake up? 10 o'clock. You woke up at 4 or 10. You mean 4 a.m.? That's around 4 hours ago. So you have managed to do the ploughing for that piece of land, the other side, and you want to finish?
No,
Hmm.
I can't finish.
Oh, you can't finish this side, eh?
Yeah,
Oh,
I will finish tomorrow.
okay. But you have done a nice job, eh?
Yeah.
So tell us who you are and your channel. Kindly just say to us.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to
Farmer Isa. Actually,
Farmer.
I'm Farmer Isa.
I was forget. Welcome to Farmer Isa channel.
Yes,
And consider to subscribe to him to
yes,
reach 1,000 subscribers.
yes.
And
Thank you.
comment the video and share the video.
Thank you so much.
And give the like.
Yes.
So my name is Noel Chacha.
Okay.
Go and check my channel.
Yes.
Visit there.
Yeah.
You'll see the fantastic video.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, by the way, Noel Chacha, how many subscribers do you have right now?
500.
500. Oh,
Yeah.
that's great, you know. So, guys, go and check on Noel Chacha's channel. Kindly consider to subscribe
Yeah.
and watch his videos. Please consider to support him
Yeah.
to road to 1,000 subscribers, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are you doing?
We are dig. We are
You are
digging.
ploughing. You are preparing the shamba
Yeah.
for maize. You want to plant?
I want to plant maize.
Yes.
And the groundnut.
And groundnuts.
Yeah.
Will you do pins?
Beans.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you do them at the same time with
Yeah.
maize, eh?
Yeah.
So you do it together with maize, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. And wow. So this is your shamba,
My father.
your father's shamba.
Yeah. You see, and Mayuguno is my neighbor.
Also, Mayuguno is your neighbor. Yes, actually, Mayuguno is their neighbor.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Oh, and that's Ankomo, by the way. That's Ankomo.
Yeah.
Wow, wow, that's great. And far end, you could see I am Maro. I think we can't see it through the phone. Oh wow, there's a Vera down there, but it's hidden. Some bananas are we can't see it because there are some bananas. So I'm really happy to be here. I want to hope that there's some work here at iammayuguno site. That's why I've come very early. I think I'll wait for the masons and then see whether we'll do some work. Eh? That's why I've come very early. Okay. Yeah. So just go on with your work. I don't want them to say, "Oh, you." Hey. So you are well prepared. Eh?
Yeah.
So you've put on your gumboots,
Yeah.
your sweater. When you wake up very early in the morning, I mean it's very cold.
Yeah.
So have you eaten something?
No.
No, yet. After this, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. So even the young ones can do them.
Yeah.
Mm.
Even if you are one,
Mm.
can cut
Oh,
the
even one person
can go.
can direct these pools, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. And they're very healthy, by the way. Oh. This is very, very nice. Wow. I wish I tried to do it. Can I try?
Yeah. Let me hold it for you.
Just hold me.
Yeah.
I want to try.
Yeah. Yeah. You know everything you must try.
Yeah, I have to learn by the way.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Hey, na ng'ombe wenu ni wazuri.
Yeah.
Wako na nguvu. Very healthy. I hope I'm doing the right thing.
Yeah. You're doing good.
Wow. So So you will wake up at 4 a.m.
Yeah.
So you have done it for about 3 hours.
Yeah.
And you still want to do it for the next how many hours? How many?
They mean 1 hour.
You have like 1 hour.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. So what's your name, my brother? Sorry? Amisi. Amis Kacha. Wow. You are the driver here? Wow. Wow. So, mko na ile kitu ya kutoa hii?
Pangi kwa hapo.
Oh, oh, I can see.
Independe.
Jana unaitwa aje? Na mlikuwa mmeweka aje?
Acha tuashikilie. Beba tu.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've seen even mamas doing this.
Yeah. They know.
Wow. Upara. Sasa mkiambia huyu aingie hapa kwa ile lane, unamwambia aje?
You go straight. Or in our local language.
In your local language. What do you tell?
Enda moraba.
Oh, enda moraba.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's when it has gone down.
Yeah.
Or that side.
Yeah.
So we normally tell them.
All in Kiswahili.
Yeah.
Come in the line.
That's English.
Yani kuja kwa line.
Kuja kwa line.
Mm.
So in our language we tell them you say
yeah.
Opara.
Luo.
That's the
Oh, okay. You know, when we teach animals the language, they understand the language with you.
We are doing some what? This is bluffing.
How are you, my friend?
Oh.
Kuja. Kuja.
Yeah.
Imagine. Imagine guys. Eh?
Ulisikia nimetoa muziki?
Sinisikia hata muziki merindima.
Muziki merindima.
Kwa channel? Ah. Na yote saa hii tu.
Muziki mangani.
Ah. Sawa.
Wewe kuna taranta. Ulikuwa umelalia.
Hata nataka kuwa na musician in the village. Sawa kabisa.
So whose pools are this?
For bull. For who? All.
Yes.
It's for my father.
Oh, these are your father's pools?
Yeah.
Oh, and this is your piece of land?
Yeah.
Oh. So, do you go out there and do it for some other people for payment or for cash?
Yeah, we can do, but at this moment,
Yes.
you are like hurry because of the time of planting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you are during this planting season, you must do it for your own farm.
Yeah.
Before
Then,
you go and
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nataka ziende hapa juu. Hapa zikuje huku kote.
Kutaringa.
Yeah. Kabisa. Kabisa.
Zirete.
Yeah. So zinafaa ziende na juu. Nimekataa. Achana na. Sasa zikuje. Malizia mtalima hivi. Karibisha mtaa. Oh, I didn't know I can do this. Long time since I did it.
You can't forget when you know.
Once you do it,
Yeah.
you can always do it, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. So the little one, what's your name? Kijana, unaitwaje? Yeah?
John X.
Jonet.
Yeah.
So Jonet also woke up at 4?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. In our family, everybody,
Yeah.
he likes to go in the shamba.
Okay.
Even there is our small child who was hurling.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, jembe nalo mko nalo ni nzuri.
Yeah, we have 2 jembe. Yeah, there is another one at home. There is another one at home.
Ijapo irudi hivi. There's another one at home, so you
Yeah.
have 2.
Yeah.
Wow. Ten.
Shh, shh. And your camel is good.
Oh, I have a good camera.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
It's very nice.
Ah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So I saw someone
Yeah.
called is it Monico Junior or Senior? Who was that?
Gentani Singh.
No. Anataka ni mzee with a shop somewhere.
Mokami.
Mukami.
Christopher Mokami.
Eh.
No, has changed the name.
So true?
Is Mokami Singh.
Yes, Mukami Senior.
Yeah.
So are you related?
Yeah.
We see to you.
Is my father-in-law.
Oh, he's your father-in-law.
Yeah.
Actually, I saw his channel yesterday.
Yeah.
I subscribed to his channel.
Yeah.
I know him personally as a shop.
Yeah.
I do go there.
Yeah.
Do some shopping.
Yeah.
So he started the channel, eh?
Yeah. Even I share him in my
In
community.
your community.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Now he's growing very well.
Oh, sasa
Yeah.
zikuje basi. Kabisa. Wewe unazitangulia. Zinafaa nikimaliza mlime hapo hivi. So, you've been doing this for some time now?
Yeah. When we close the school.
When you close the school?
Yeah.
So you close the school, you help parents to dig,
Yeah.
to plant,
Yeah, so that when I am in school, they come the shamba
Okay.
where I am not
So where
around.
do you go to school?
We close now, but
Where do you study? Where do you go to school?
oh, there's a school is our neighbor,
Yes.
Kibranga.
Kiplanga. Is it
Yeah.
primary or secondary?
Is a primary
So you're in class?
8.
Or you're in class 8? You are a candidate?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
So you go there together with Getangita?
yeah. Getangita.
Okay, you're in the
Yeah.
same class?
No, we have 2 streams.
Oh, you have what, 2 streams?
Yeah,
Wow, that's good.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. So how is are you ready for the exams? You know, being a candidate, you are going to sit for your final exams in primary school,
Yeah,
after which you join secondary.
yeah.
So are you prepared?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Mm.
I am waited for that
You are
exam.
waiting for the exams.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Sasa nikiendelea kuweka chini hapa hivi italeta udongo yote.
Mhm.
Naimalizia hapa.
You know, and when we come at night with the sweater, you will sweat.
You sweat while laughing, eh?
Yeah, even you can see mine. I come is not like a big.
Eh.
And we wearing a jacket.
Ah.
You'll wonder.
Ah.
Yeah,
So even if it's very early in the morning, it's very cold.
yeah.
Oh.
You start thinking about you want to sick or what.
Ah. Wow. So do you have names for the pools?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We
So
have
this one is called
Kiburuha.
Kiburua.
Yeah,
What does that mean?
because it's red.
Oh, because it's red.
Yeah,
And the other one?
Kemahara.
Kimahara.
Yeah.
So
No, Kerera.
Who is Kerera here?
The which is the one
in
line.
this line, eh?
Yeah,
And this one?
Kiburuha.
Kiburua.
Yeah,
Actually, guys, the ones who are normal on this line are perceived to be much stronger
yeah,
than the ones outside. Eh?
yeah.
So the one in the line is called
Kelela.
Kerera.
Yeah,
Why?
because he have some dots.
Oh, because they have what, some
Black.
black and white,
Yeah.
black and red. Eh?
Yeah,
So it's carrot.
yeah,
At our home, when a cow is carrot, a bull is carrot, we call them
yeah.
maritati.
Maritati.
Yaani ni kama tu maridadi.
Yeah.
And then the ones that is red in color,
Yeah.
it's called we call them kiro. I don't know. I think it's kiro.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
And
in
if it's black, we call them nyusi.
in black,
Yeah, very black.
in our local language, black we call kimwamu.
Kimwamu.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah,
So
And
we give them names depending on how they look.
yeah.
Sometimes
And the behavior.
behavior.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So I think it's the same thing
yeah.
from where I come from.
Okay. And how do you call the jembe?
The jembe.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah.
We normally call it obokombe.
Okay,
Obokombe.
it's the same.
The same language.
Yeah,
You say
obokombe or rigembe.
Gembe.
Yeah,
Obokombe
or rigembe.
or gembe. So it's the same thing. Eh?
Yeah,
You know the fun thing, Kisses and Furias, they share the language
yeah, yeah,
only with some literal alterations. Eh?
yeah,
A few alterations. Actually, most of the words are similar.
yeah,
Their cultures are almost the same.
yeah.
So we have only a few differences.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even when you speak Kisii, I
You
understand.
hear someone?
Yeah,
You understand someone?
yeah.
Oh, it's great.
Like
The same to us actually.
like greeting.
Greetings.
I
Got
understand greetings.
Wait. Hey.
Like Bwakire.
Wakire.
Buya.
Oh,
Yeah.
and by the way, is really doing construction today?
Is doing?
Those they haven't come. Nobody's around.
I don't know. Yeah.
Let's wait and see. Hey. So they can do it without being shouted at.
Yeah.
Hey, come from you must shout. You
Yeah.
can't even beat them.
Yeah. Even when you shout, they'll go with the high speed.
Oh.
Yeah.
So Noel Chacha, I wish you all the best in your education.
Yeah.
I know this year you're going to sit for your national exams.
Yeah. Thank you.
I really wish you all the best. I
Yeah.
hope you're working hard.
Yeah.
After this, you're going to join high school next year.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite high school?
What?
Or which school do you intend to join? After
At
this?
Rapogi.
Rabogi Boys, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you must do well in your exams then.
Yeah.
Because Rabogi is an extra county school.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's a national school, but I think it's an extra county school.
Is an extra.
Yeah, so you must work hard.
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm good in some subjects.
Yeah.
If you find time, just
Yeah.
look for me.
Yeah.
I'll help you, especially in mathematics.
Yeah.
We'll do some revision together,
Yeah.
and I think it will be very helpful for you,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. Thank you.
So yeah, you just look for me.
Yeah.
I'll do that for you
Yeah.
for
Well.
free.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
That's good.
especially during the weekend,
Yeah.
or even the evenings after
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
Just look.
Even we have the tuition at school
Oh, you have tuition at school
from Monday
from Monday. You go there at what time?
evening.
Evening.
Yeah.
So evening at what time?
At after lunch.
After lunch.
Yeah.
Okay. So you come from there at what time?
We come at the 5.
At 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you have time, especially during the weekend,
Yeah.
come with some revision papers.
Yeah.
That's the past KCP papers.
Yeah.
I'll help you in tackling out some questions,
Yeah.
especially mathematics,
Okay.
and even social studies,
Yeah.
and even science.
Yeah.
I think I can do that for you.
Okay.
So I hope we shall find that time and we do it out together.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Wait.
They like eating.
Sure. Oh, they like eating while breathing.
Yeah.
So you must shout at them.
Yeah.
I've seen some farmers.
Yeah.
When they want to do it and they don't want me to. Okay, that's the thing when they are doing some weeding.
Yeah.
That's when they are doing weeding using tools.
Yeah.
They bring they cover their mouths with some. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
They use either some wires,
It's like wire mesh.
wire mesh,
Yeah.
and then that one will now hinder them
Yeah.
from hitting the crops.
Yeah.
And the pools do weeding.
Yeah.
I've seen that in the past.
Even we have, but yeah, they not to put it.
Okay.
Yeah. When we put to them,
Uh,
they can't dig.
oh.
Yeah.
So wacha nimalizie hapa.
Yeah.
Naona hao mafundi wamekuja. Naona kama naweza fanya kazi nao. Nimeshukuru sana, nimefanya mazoezi. Na pia nimejikumbusha kwamba naweza lima. Yeah. So nimeshukuru sana. Nani atashika sasa?
Spare tu. Yeah, najua. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. We have done it.
Yeah, so guys, Bye bye. Go and consider to subscribe to
Farmer Isa
and the Noel Church.
yeah,
Yeah. Comment and share the video.
yes,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye bye. Guys.
Bye.